Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin with today's target. Sorry I couldn't upload the video for yesterday. Actually my Wi-Fi had some problem, so couldn't upload it. And now there is no point to upload it today. So let's remove the comments. I try to make it without any div, so star. Let's remove the width and height. The background is going to be this color. Paste. And now I'll use body. So the body is going to be like, let me give it some color for now. So for now I'm giving it this color only, and I'll give it a width of 150, and same for the height, 150. Difference. So now we can give some margin, and the margin as always 100. Okay, so one side it is going to be 100, which is the left side, and this will maybe 40, 50, 60. Let's increase it to 160, 70, 80, 90. Okay, 200. So we'll do the same for the height. So 200. Now I will give it border radius. So border radius 50%, 50%, 0, 0. Okay, so it's the exact same shape. Now we can change the background from this one to linear gradient. So we'll give it this color till 50%. I think I'm forgetting how we used to use this. 50%. The next color is going to be 50%, or maybe it was in pixels. 100 pixels. Let me see in the one I used it before. I don't know why I am forgetting it. Which one was it? In which we used gradient. I think I used in yesterday's. So my solutions, load code. So in this one, okay, we can use percentages and it will be afterwards. So I was correct previously. Percentage, comma. I will give the next color, which is this one. Paste. And it will be from 50% to 60%, I think. And the next one will be this color. It's pasted. Now it will be from 60% to 70%. I'm just seeing how far it goes. Something's wrong with my mouse, so let me use the touchpad. I forgot to switch on the difference. Okay, pretty perfect, let's say. So now I'll do it from Like, let me cover it for the same color, so it will be from 80% to 90%. Okay, comma. Now I'll change the color, paste, and it will be from 70% to 80%. And now I can either give it and it will be 90% to 100%. Okay, so let's submit it. Hopefully it is a 100% match. Yeah, it is. So we got a score 654.05. So that's it for today's video. Hope to see you next one. Till then, bye.